And I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the steel column, a steel bed plate, the bolts, and the concrete in two types: normal concrete as a typical and the ultra high performance under the shear load. You can see here, this is the bolt in the concrete, and here we apply load on this edge to consider the damage in the bolts, plates, and the concrete. And this is the normal concrete. See the normal concrete here, and see the damage of the steel plate. Let me make it tension damage. Click on animate. See, in each increment you can see the damage propagation, and we use a strain damage as a sub option to consider the full failure in the CDP model in concrete. Here, if I check the compressive damage, see, and let me use a ODB mirror pattern to check the whole view. That's the symmetry view, and this is the whole view. And we can check plastic strain, we can check stress or stiffness degradation. Now let me replace just the concrete here. This is the concrete at the end, and this is the concrete foundation failed completely. Or here we can check the stress for the steel members here, but you can see the damage in the steel members. We did this also for the ultra high performance concrete at the same situation. See the ultra high performance, it is a better foundation. If I replace the concrete, you can see the damage which is happened is a little bit less, and compressive damage or tension damage. See, and now let me replace the other part, and you can see here the bolt fails. The bolts, see here, failed completely. Let me make it feature edge, replace all, make it this view, and check for instance the tension damage. Click on animate. See, the stress of the ultra high performance concrete is 5 times more than the typical or normal concrete, and that's why the bolts are failed here. See, this is the failure happen. And this is the last frame. Okay, and here is the typical concrete. See, it has failed completely. Okay, and we have force displacement diagram. This is for ultra performance, also for concrete. After the maximum value, we have decreasing capacity and zero value reached. For both is the same totally. So, uh, if you need this tutorial, modeling column, bolt, bed plate, concrete, ultra performance concrete under the shear load, you can use this tutorial. So come to our website here, abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial here. This is, or search it in the search section in the website. Then click on the title. This is the geometry, part assembly, introduction, material, step interaction, and then the load, and then at the end the figures as the results. You can see the cost for the CAINP reference for the material for both analysis and English video file step by step is 28 euros. You can use a PayPal account. Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. Also, you can use our full package here. The full package containing more than 400 tutorials to learn all things about the abacus as simulation, modeling, coding, anything. You can see here the main titles here, then the subtitles. It contains anything, for instance here explosion, all method for all material, impact, high and low for any material, welding, any types, biomechanics, forming, correct, anything. You can read here about it. So, if you want this full package to be master in modeling and simulation, the cost for that is 230 euros. And this is the very good price in the net, and we consider the maximum discount for that. So, if you want this full package, also contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.